Procedure for India Post delivery staff for the toolkit delivery. India Post booking staff or pickup staff must visit the vendor warehouse and should book toolkit items that have a rights hologram, India Post barcode and acknowledgement letter affixed to the box. India Post booking staff or pickup staff to collect the booked toolkit items. They should ensure that only those toolkit boxes that has rights hologram affixed on the box are collected. After collecting the toolkit boxes from the warehouse, India Post booking staff or pickup staff will reach nearest India Post delivery location to the current address of the artisan. Prior to delivery, delivery staff must call the artisan on his/her mobile to confirm their availability and to ensure the toolkit is delivered in the artisan's presence. Delivery staff should download and install the PM Vishwakarma mobile app from the Google Play Store. Delivery staff should download, install and onboard on the Indian Bank Corporate Merchant mobile app. To download the PM Vishwakarma mobile app, open the Google Play Store. Search for PM Vishwakarma and tap the Install button. Additionally, delivery staff must install and onboard on the Indian Bank Corporate Merchant mobile app. Onboarding on Indian Bank Corporate Merchant app will be one-time activity. Delivery staff open the Indian Bank Corporate Merchant app, accept the terms and condition and click on Send SMS. Select the SIM card of same mobile number is used at the time of onboarding on PMV portal by India Post Division user. Enter the mobile number and click on Proceed. Complete the OTP authentication. Set the 4-digit MPIN and click on Submit. Onboarding process is completed. Kindly keep the MPIN safely and close the app. Upon reaching the artisan's location, open the PM Vishwakarma mobile app. Scroll down and click on Login button. Click on India Post Login button. Enter the username and password that was sent to Aadhaar registered mobile number of the delivery staff at the time of onboarding by India Post Division user. To begin with delivery process, delivery staff user need to fetch the artisan details. To fetch the artisan details by scanning the India Post barcode affixed on the toolkit box, delivery staff will click on Scan Artisan's Barcode button. Camera will be open to scan the India Post barcode affixed on toolkit box. Artisan details will be fetched and shown to the delivery staff. To authenticate the artisan, click on Request OTP. OTP will be sent on artisan registered mobile number. Enter OTP and click on Submit. Delivery staff need to check the hologram of rights affixed on toolkit box and select Yes in quality checked QR code. Hologram exists on toolbox. Question and click on Submit button. After hologram check, the next step is a voucher redemption. For this, click on Redirect to a voucher redemption. Delivery staff user will be automatically redirected to Indian Bank Corporate Merchant app and see the welcome message with request to enter the MPIN used at the time of onboarding on this app. Delivery staff user can proceed with a voucher redemption by scanning the a voucher or by scanning the SMS string or by manually entering the voucher code. A voucher code of ₹1 is stored in the dashboard of the PMV beneficiaries in case the voucher SMS is not readily available with the PMV beneficiary code. If artisan have the A voucher available with them in Bhim app on a smartphone, then delivery staff can click on Scan UPI A Rupee QR button. Scan the A voucher code of the artisan. If artisan have the feature phone or have the message string of a voucher, then delivery staff have to click on second option, Scan a rupee code. Scan the a voucher message string. Delivery staff user can also enter a voucher code. To redeem the voucher, click on Enter a rupee code button. Enter the voucher code and click on Verify button. After scanning the voucher or message string or entering the voucher code, delivery staff need to select the trade and toolkit type as per the box and click on Verify. Enter the verification code sent to Artisan mobile number and click on Verify, and after successful verification a voucher code, Proceed button will be highlighted. Click on Proceed. After successful redemption message will be displayed on screen. Click on OK button and delivery staff will be redirected back to PM Vishwakarma mobile app. Click on Record Video button. Delivery staff need to do the open box delivery and start video capturing only after opening the box and taking out all items, and the face of Artisan should also be recorded in video. Once recording is completed, click on Stop Recording button. Minimum and maximum recording time allowed is 30 to 60 seconds. If recorded video is satisfactory and as per the guidelines, click on Yes button. If want to re-record the video, clicks on No button. Select the toolkit items found in box. If network bandwidth is good, click on Upload Now, and if want to upload the video later, then click on Upload Later. Sample acknowledgement letter has been attached. In acknowledgement letter, delivery staff has to tick mark the items delivered or not delivered to Artisan and write the Artisan name and address and take the signature of the Artisan. Click on Capture button. Camera will be opened. Capture the image of acknowledgement form with Artisan signature and click on Capture Image button. If captured image is satisfactory and as per the guidelines, click on Yes button. If want to recapture the acknowledgement, clicks on No button. If network bandwidth is good, click on Upload Now, and if want to upload the acknowledgement image later, then click on Upload Later. To see the applications which video or acknowledgement is pending for upload, user need to click on hamburger icon on top left corner and select Pending bin. List of applications where video or acknowledgement letter is pending for upload will be shown. Click on Upload Video or Upload Letter button. Video or letter will be uploaded and delivery process will be completed. To see the applications which delivery is completed, click on Completed bin. List of applications which delivery is completed by delivery staff will be shown. Thank you.